Hi, I'm Danny Buchholz, and I am a managing broker with Equity Real Estate in North and South Carolina. I created this video for anybody that might be looking to switch brokerages or actually find a broker as a brand new real estate agent. All right, so in my recent conversations with real estate agents and brokers, I found that there were 4 things that people were having issues with, which caused them to start shopping around for a brand new real estate firm to work with. And it can be very, very painful to go through that process because you've got all your advertising and all your marketing set up, and bam, then you need to make a switch. So hopefully this will help you to choose a firm as a brand new agent that you'll stick with, or to make that hopefully final switch if you have been through any of these 4 items that I'm going to talk about real quick here. Number 1, your broker. Your broker should be extremely important to you because that is the person that should be there to guide you, help you, answer questions, help you solve problems. Because I always say in real estate that every day is a brand new day, and weird things come up. And so you need somebody that you can talk to and access. So if you're looking for a broker that is going to be available, I'm your girl. However, if you're not in North or South Carolina and you're interested in joining Equity Real Estate, I can connect you with a broker in another state because we are all awesome. I have talked to most of the brokers across the country on our monthly leadership calls, and I have not found one that I don't think is awesome. So number 1. Number 2, the second thing that I hear agents and brokers talk about is training, lack of it, lack of training. So maybe when you interviewed with your firm that you're at now or that you left already, you were promised the moon, the sun, and the stars, and that you would get all this training, but they never delivered, okay? One thing that you will find with us is we do not promise things that we will not deliver. All right, so training. We have training that is done by our corporate office, and that is on a published calendar that you can access and see well in advance so that you can plan on attending. And I also offer training classes as well. So in addition to being a real estate broker, I actually own and operate a real estate school. And the reason that I'm telling you this is because for the past year and a half, I have been working on developing professional development courses to help you become more proficient and compliant in your real estate job. All right. And part of that real estate development is I also created a course that I charge a couple $1,000s for. However, hang on a second. However, that professional development course on learning how to generate your own leads and build your own referral-based system, which is something I myself have done, so it's a rinse and repeat for me. That system is available to agents that come on board to my firm for free, but you have to qualify for it. I don't just give it away to anybody. I need to know that you're coachable, that you really want to learn, and that you're actually going to implement what I give you. All right, so that's number 2. Number 3 is leads. I hear a lot of agents say that they were promised that they would get leads from XYZ Realty, their former broker, and they never got a single lead. Well, we don't give you leads either, but I'll show you how to generate them yourself. And we also have KV Core that you can use to start blasting out some information about yourself. Once you get it set up, you can use the CRM in there and you can start using that to generate leads as well, in addition to the professional development course that I already spoke about. And number 4 is money. Show me the money. All right, so people have different opinions on what's important to them, but for me, there was no way I was giving somebody 35% of my commission or 10% of my commission. I wasn't giving up any of my commission because I work really hard for my money, as I know you do as well. And that was most important to me. You get 100% of your commission, and there's 2 fees that get deducted per transaction. Those fees cover all your technology, and those fees cover your E&O insurance and other admin type things, all right? But aside from that, there's no monthly fees or anything else. Like, I could have joined any firm, but I chose this company. So here I am years later. I'm a managing broker for 2 states. I love what I do, and I love this company. This might not be your jam, all right? And that's okay. but at least I've given you some pointers on what you should look for as you're considering finding a new place to hang your license. I'm Danny Buchholz, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching.